Your crypto project has a powerful story, but you are invisible in a crowded market. What if one piece of seed content could supercharge that ROI? What if syndication, not creation, is the answer? How would that change your business? Syndication is how smart projects turn one asset into massive, multi-platform reach. But first, let's talk about the stealth launch. What is it? It is releasing your project quietly without big announcements or marketing spend. The point of this is to test the market, gather user feedback, and refine your product. It's about making smart moves before you go big. Okay, you have launched in stealth and improved the product. So, how do you get seen? Syndication is the engine for your spotlight moment. Syndication gets your crypto projects seen. Syndication lets you republish your best content on over 70 Google News-approved crypto platforms instantly, maximizing its value by reaching audiences you don't own. This isn't a small trick, it's a growing industry. The demand for syndicated content among businesses is rising fast. For crypto projects, this means one thing: getting in front of investors and adopters. It shows them your product and its benefits, building confidence. And how do you get in front of investors and adopters quickly? Syndication. It creates investor momentum and user adoption that drives rapid scaling. So how does it work? First, traffic. Syndicated articles always link back to your original post. Every read becomes a potential click to your site. The real power is in SEO. Each link from a high-authority site is a backlink, a vote of confidence for search engines, boosting your rank. And not just any links. Quality beats quantity every time. Your agency must have those connections. This exposure generates real leads. You're tapping into qualified audiences on crypto news sites that you couldn't reach alone. So you get traffic, SEO boosts, and leads. Sounds perfect. But what about the risk of getting penalized for duplicate content? If you just copy-paste your article, you could harm your SEO. But there is a technical fix that gives you all the benefits with none of the risk. JCH Digital has that fix. Imagine your white paper summary syndicated on major crypto publications. Their audience, credibility, and SEO boost all flow back to you. You understand the core mechanic. But how do you create an instant spotlight event? The answer is layering multiple strategies and making the right partnerships. The first rule: syndication only works if the content is exceptional. It must be engaging and valuable to capture any attention. Second, you must simplify the complex. Use infographics and short videos within your articles. This makes them more shareable and understandable. Third, launch your cornerstone article in multiple formats on 70+ Google News-approved crypto sites. Instantly. Wait, what? Say that again? Yes. Instant syndication to 70+ Google News-approved crypto sites. Google tracks how often your brand is mentioned across the web. This is your brand authority. The more your brand is mentioned, the higher your brand authority. Now, one of the highest ranking factors for Google. So getting your cornerstone piece syndicated is key. What about multimedia? In 2025, Google's AI overviews pull more images, videos, and audio than ever. The use of infographics, short videos, podcasts, all make Google say, "Hey, you need more traffic. Let me help using my algorithm." Now, let's put all the pieces together. How do you combine a stealth launch with this layered syndication for an explosive result? Remember the stealth phase? It was your content lab. You used that time to create a cornerstone article based on what early users actually care about. Then, you launch a content bomb. Your cornerstone or seed article is syndicated on 70+ crypto-specific news platforms, all at once. That's it. In 24 hours, you're everywhere. You get traffic, SEO authority from backlinks, and qualified leads. Investors see your name and value everywhere they look. This is the stealth to spotlight playbook. While competitors slowly release content, you achieve exponential reach with the same effort. This is how you manufacture a spotlight moment for your crypto project. Stop creating content that disappears into the void. Start distributing it intelligently to build a lasting presence. Your first step is simple. Find the right agency that can take you from stealth to spotlight in hours, not days or weeks. If you want this strategy for your launch to command attention for your project in the crypto market, contact jchdigital.ca.